Alright, what is good, YouTube? You already know, it's your boy Rockin' Ryno, and welcome back to another video where today we're going to be smoking some chicken, and it is going to be really good. We're going to be smoking some chicken legs, and not only are we smoking chicken, we got a secret weapon here today. We got Ryno Rub #1, okay? And it's going to be good. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure to pat each chicken leg dry. Make sure there's no more water. And then you're going to want to peel the skin all the way back. It's okay to show a little leg. And then you're going to want to season generously. And after you're done seasoning generously, you're going to want to pat the seasoning into the meat. And then you can pull the skin back over just like a sock, and you're going to want to add some more seasoning to the outside of the skin and make sure to pat that in. We want a lot of flavor on these. Check out the video above for my Ryno Rub #1. Best seasoning out there. Then heat your smoker all the way up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, looks like Snoop's in the house today. Gently put each drumstick onto the smoker with a little bit of space in between each one, and you can use any smoker or chips or pellets that you would like. I personally like to use apple wood or cherry or any other kind of sweet wood for chicken. And then you're going to want to cook those legs until they reach an internal temp of 175 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we wait. And wait. Oh, those are looking pretty good. It's time to flip. Some nice browning. And now it's back to waiting. Make sure to flip the drumsticks halfway through. Ooh, and we're there. Those look delicious. Nice and caramelized. Alright, YouTube, we just got done smoking these delicious chicken legs. You can see they're really good looking. They look delicious. And I got my uncle here, Uncle Hugh, and he's quite the smoker. So I decided to have him on here to taste test because I think he'd probably be able to tell if they're good or not. Go ahead and grab one.
Alright.
Take a bite.
So good. Very good. Good smoked taste. They're done just perfect. Got a little bit of spice to them.
Yeah, okay. But they're really good.
Yeah, well done.
Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you don't have a smoker, you can bake these for around 40 minutes and they should work out perfect. And you don't have to use Ryno Rub #1, even though it is probably the best rub out there. You can use any one you like. You can add barbecue sauce to this. It's really good. Perfect. And remember, like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. And comment down below if you want us to make something next or what you want us to do. Okay, comment down below, like and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.